Darren Helmwood for ATT and try and single-handedly fix the nav back with one of our soldering irons and film it on my own just for the crack. So let's pop the camera up with my helping hands. There we go, there's the back, that's the alarm. Okay, like that I suppose. Oh dear, dear. Working on your own. Right, there we go. Right, these are available from our website. £6, and this is how easy it is. One minute. Wires. Okay, so now back in the cradle, back in the position. Another one. Save program mode. There you go, light out. Try that in silent, so the alarm's quiet. There you go, all done. Working a treat with one of the irons available from ATTtackle.com, ATTtackle.com, costing you £6. Solder available separately. Thank you.